This class is so boring.
I'm so hungry! Hey, that's comedy gold. Madison, pay attention. Especially when I'm being funny. I've been working on something exactly for this situation.
Oh, hi, sir. Great lesson. What's this? This is great. Where's this been all my life?
You look ridiculous.
I hate this class. That color suits you. I love this.
Morning, class.
Have a nice trip.
Maybe no one noticed. My precious test papers. Why? This is so embarrassing. Look at them. They're a mess. It's a cruel world. Oh, I can use these clips. That's just what I need. I'll clip the papers together. Then I'll write on the clip. That way I can see which paper is which. I wish I had thought of this earlier. Look at them. It's magnificent. Test time! Who's laughing now? Ha!
Hey! Watch where you're pointing that.
Here you go, Madison. Oops. But I can fix that with this wonderful clip. I'll stick it to the side of your desk. I need a few more. Then I'll slide the pens into the clips. There you go. Whoa, I'm impressed.
That's pretty clever. Help yourself, Leo.
Thanks.
This is tricky. I really should have studied.
Psst. Madison. Madison. Hi.
Hi, David. Oh my gosh, this is it!
These are for you.
You're so romantic.
I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together.
I'm so happy!
Hey, champ. Aw, he's got my mustache. Coochie-coo.
Life is perfect!
Hey, yoo-hoo. Are you there? So can I borrow a pen?
Oh, right. Of course. Here you go. Wait. I can't give David a chewed-up pen. Let me find another one. Wow. I really need to stop eating pens. Hi, David.
Hey, Emma.
You can have my pen. Just wait a minute, okay? I don't believe this! What's Emma doing? I need to be quick. That looks good. I won't be long. I must have a pen somewhere. That's it? Oh, maybe I can use this nail polish. I think this might work. I'll start by taking a pen apart. Then I'll cut off the nib. I'll put some glue on the end of the nib. Now I need the nail polish. I'll place the nib in the bottle and surround it with glue. I'll let it set and then replace the top of the pen. That should do it. It's now a glitter pen! Ooh, that looks fancy. I can put the bottle cap back on. It's better than a boring pen. Here you go. Oh my gosh! We touched!
Now I can do my work.
This is the best day ever!
This is a good pen. Thanks.
Yes! It worked! You're so pretty. I mean, your writing is pretty. Hello, class. What are you doing? David, quick!
Oh no! Ugh, I'm not good under pressure. It's all yours.
That seems strange, but okay.
I'll get out of here. That was close.
But you did it! Sorry I'm late. Let's begin today's lesson. Huh? Why isn't the chalk writing?
This is so funny.
I don't understand what's happening. Maybe it's dirty. Wait, there's something on the board. Is that soap? Oh, I'm so disappointed, class!
That was a classic.
It's okay. I just need to compose myself. I know! I can use my notebook! I'll put a strip of tape along the edge. I have some chalkboard paint. I'll cover the whole notebook with the paint. This is actually relaxing. It's almost finished. I'll let it dry. Now I can remove the tape. Careful, I don't want to ruin the paint. I don't need a chalkboard. I can use the notebook. I'll just write the problem onto the notebook cover. It works really well. I just need the answer now. What's happening? Okay, class. Who wants to answer this? You!
But… fine.
Get up here. Just act cool. You're not so smart now.
Oh, okay. I think I know this. How's that?
Wrong. Sit down. What are you thinking? Spend less time doing pranks and more time studying. Let me get rid of this. You! Madison!
Me? Oh, this is gonna be bad.
I just need to staple these papers and that's my homework finished. This is actually fun. Huh? It must be jammed. Whoops! No! That might be a problem. That's it. All done. Now I can relax. Stupid staples! Ugh, that's gonna be painful. Oh no!
This is a crime scene now. Stay right there, okay? No press. Get out of here.
David!
La la la. Ooh yeah.
David!
That is one good cup of coffee.
I hope this works.
Where did that come from? There's a message. SOS? I wonder what's wrong. What's this? What? Staples? My AirPod case will solve this. It'll pick up all the staples. Just like this. I think I got them all.
Thank you! I take my cleaning job pretty seriously. Okay, time to check it. Spotless, just as I thought. But there's a lot more to do.
I need to finish this classwork. Ugh. My pencil's broken. Luckily I have this sharpener. This is quite dusty. Chew!
What the? Not on my watch!
It was an accident, I swear! I've got it, see? Wow, that was intense. Oh, I have an idea. But I need an empty bottle. Okay, let's get creative. I'll start by removing the bottle cap. Then I'll cut a hole in it. Next, I'll flip the cap over. And apply glue around the edge of the hole. That should be enough. I'll stick the sharpener to the bottle cap. Once it's set, I'll screw the cap back onto the bottle. That's just what I need. Now the bottle will collect any debris. There's no more mess.
I'm watching you.
There's nothing to worry about. It's all in the bottle.
That boy will go far. David! Got your phone!
What? Madison, get back here!
I need to hide! This looks like a good spot.
Madison! Where did she go? In number 1? Or number 2? I don't know. You need to help me. Come on, please.
Make the school day go easier with these clever hacks. And help David find Madison. Leave your answers in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.